Claude 3, another large language model rapidly gaining traction compared to the reigning king, Chatgpt4, is the brainchild of Anthropic, an AI safety and research company. Founded by former OpenAI engineer in 2020, Anthropic prioritizes building reliable and beneficial AI systems. This 7 billion parameter language model boasts an impressive context window of over 200,000 tokens, allowing it to handle remarkably long and complex inputs, ideal for intricate tasks. A unique AI model that combines a vast understanding of both text and images, a large context window for complex tasks, quick processing for real-time applications, and an ethical approach to AI development. It's designed to be user-friendly, with fewer unnecessary refusals, enhancing the overall experience. In this video, we'll delve into Claude 3's capabilities, such as its sophisticated vision abilities, fewer refusals, and its performance in non-English languages. So, is it really the GPT-4 killer? Can it topple the king? While large language models, like Gemini, and various open-source models have emerged, none have dethroned Chatgpt4 in terms of user experience and preference. However, Claude 3 seems poised to make a significant impact. Before diving into a head-to-head comparison, let's explore Claude 3's specifications directly from Anthropic's website, like the pricing and speed and other details. Actually, the price is $20 per month, but wait. Here's a website where you can test it out for free. Not only this, other models are also available. You can compare models like Claude 3 and other models by giving them a prompt and compare the response. Many models are available. Back to the Claude 3 documentation. It includes 3 state-of-the-art models in ascending order of capability: Claude 3 Haiku, Claude 3 Sonnet, and Opus. Each successive model offers increasingly powerful performance. It allows you to select the optimal balance of intelligence, speed, and cost for your specific application. Here, you can see the comparison of the Claude 3 models to those of Claude's peers on multiple benchmarks of capability. Actually, it's really crazy. I just can't take my eyes off it. It outperforms many of these tools in different aspects. Now let's move to the comparison part. Before we tackle this portion, I would like to ask you to subscribe and join our community for the latest updates. It is free, and your support is invaluable to us. All right, let's imagine you have 2 smart robot friends, Claude 3 and Chatgpt4. Both are super clever and can help you with your homework, tell you stories, and even write computer programs. But they're good at different things. Claude 3 is like a wizard in math class. If you ask it a tricky math problem, it can solve it really fast and explain it to you so well that you'd understand it right away. It's also great at looking at pictures and understanding what's in them, which is something Chatgpt4 isn't as good at. So, it is like the kid in class who is really good at talking. It can chat with you about almost anything, and it's really good at making the conversation fun and interesting. But when it comes to really hard math problems or understanding pictures, it might not be as quick or as accurate as Claude 3. So, think of Claude 3 as the math and picture genius, and Chatgpt4 as the chatty and fun storyteller. They both have their special talents. When it comes to code generation, Claude 3 models, especially the Opus variant, are known for their advanced capabilities. They can handle complex coding tasks, understand and generate code across different programming languages, and even work with code that involves deep reasoning and problem solving. Totally for the complex project management. Claude 3 excels at juggling multifaceted tasks with a strategic approach. Also, for the deep research and analysis, you can go with Claude 3 for in-depth exploration of complex topics. But for quick summaries and information grasping, choose ChatGPT for concise overviews and extracting key points. Claude 3 handles complex tasks like data analysis, generating reports, and crafting emails tailored to recipients. Think of it as a highly skilled assistant anticipating your needs. ChatGPT can easily tackle repetitive tasks like email automation, scheduling, and summarizing meeting notes. It's your tireless intern, freeing you up for bigger things. For example, if you ask Claude 3 Opus to write a program that sorts a list of numbers, it can quickly generate efficient and accurate code. It can also explain the code in simple terms, like telling a story. Imagine you have a messy room full of toys, which are like the numbers in our list, and you want to tidy up by putting the toys in order, from smallest to biggest. Claude 3 Opus would be like a super smart friend who comes over and knows exactly where to put each toy, making your room neat and orderly. On the other hand, Chatgpt4 is also quite skilled at code generation. It can write and debug code, and it's particularly good at understanding and following instructions given in natural language too. However, Claude3's ability to process a larger context and its sophisticated understanding of complex tasks give it an edge in certain scenarios. So, while both Claude3 and ChatGPT4 are impressive in their own right, Claude3's Opus model might have a slight advantage in more complex and nuanced code generation tasks. If you're enjoying the AI content and want to stay updated, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me bring more exciting and informative content your way. Click that subscribe button and join our tech community.